Welcome to Like Health. Are you tired of hair breakage, slow growth, and an unhealthy scalp? Rosemary water might be the natural solution you've been searching for. Packed with powerful nutrients, it nourishes your hair from root to tip. Stay with us as we reveal the 7 incredible benefits of rosemary water for healthier, faster-growing hair. Number 1. Stimulates hair growth naturally. Did you know rosemary water can help your hair grow faster and thicker? Studies show that rosemary improves blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring hair follicles get the nutrients they need to thrive. It also contains ursolic acid, which strengthens roots and reduces hair fall. Unlike chemical treatments, rosemary water is gentle yet powerful, promoting natural hair growth without side effects. Regular use can even rival minoxidil, a common hair regrowth treatment. If you've been struggling with thinning hair, this might be your game changer. Just spray it on your scalp daily and let nature do its magic. Number 2. Fights dandruff and soothes itchy scalp. Struggling with dandruff and an irritated scalp? Rosemary water has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that help combat the yeast responsible for dandruff. It also reduces excess oil production, preventing buildup that leads to flaking. The anti-inflammatory compounds in rosemary soothe itchiness and irritation, giving your scalp a refreshing, clean feel. Unlike harsh anti-dandruff shampoos, it hydrates your scalp while keeping it healthy. Simply massage it in after washing your hair to enjoy a flake-free, nourished scalp. Say goodbye to embarrassing white flakes and hello to confidence. Number 3. Strengthens hair and prevents breakage. Weak, brittle hair that snaps easily? Rosemary water is packed with antioxidants that protect your strands from damage caused by heat, pollution, and styling. It helps reinforce the hair shaft, reducing split ends and breakage over time. The polyphenol and essential nutrients in rosemary strengthen each strand from the inside out, making your hair more resilient. Plus, it improves moisture retention, keeping your hair soft and flexible rather than dry and fragile. Regular use can transform dull, lifeless hair into strong, vibrant locks. Just mist it onto your hair daily for visible results. Number 4. Delays premature graying. Worried about those early gray hairs? Rosemary water can help slow down premature graying by preserving the natural pigment in your hair. Rich in antioxidants, it fights oxidative stress, the main culprit behind early gray strands. It also boosts melanin production, which is responsible for keeping your hair dark and vibrant. Regular application can enhance your natural color, making your hair look richer and healthier. Many people even use rosemary water as a natural alternative to chemical dyes. Spray it onto your scalp and massage gently to keep those grays at bay. Number 5. Improves scalp circulation for healthier roots. A healthy scalp means healthy hair, and rosemary water works wonders by boosting blood flow to your hair follicles. Its natural compounds, like rosmarinic acid, help expand blood vessels, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the roots. This increased circulation strengthens follicles, reducing hair thinning and promoting thicker growth. Poor blood flow can lead to weak, lifeless hair, but rosemary water helps keep your scalp nourished and full of life. Massaging it in daily can make a noticeable difference in hair density over time. The result? Stronger, fuller, and more vibrant hair from the roots up. Number 6. Reduces excess oil and keeps hair fresher. Does your hair get greasy too quickly? Rosemary water helps regulate sebum production, preventing your scalp from becoming too oily. Unlike harsh shampoos that strip away natural moisture, rosemary balances oil levels without drying out your hair. This means your scalp stays clean longer, and you won't have to wash your hair as often. Plus, its antimicrobial properties keep your scalp fresh and free from buildup. Just a few sprays can refresh your hair between washes, giving it a lightweight, non-greasy feel. Say goodbye to oily roots and hello to bouncy, refreshed hair. Number 7. Adds shine and enhances hair texture. Want soft, silky, and glossy hair? Rosemary water acts as a natural conditioner, smoothing the hair cuticle and adding a beautiful shine. It helps lock in moisture, reducing frizz and making hair more manageable. The vitamins and minerals in rosemary nourish each strand, giving your hair a healthier, more vibrant look. Over time, regular use improves texture, making hair feel softer and stronger. Unlike synthetic shine sprays, rosemary water enhances your natural glow without any harmful chemicals. Just spritz it on after washing for a radiant, salon-like finish. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new